In this video, I will show you exactly how to use MailChimp for newsletters. So if you want to grow your list or sustain your list of email subscribers and you want to do this through a MailChimp newsletter, here's how you can do that. So first go ahead and log in or create your account on MailChimp. Then once you've done that, you will be here in the home screen. So there's a lot going on here. So it may be hard to figure out exactly where you need to go. So that's what I will cover right now. I will be creating my first newsletter and sending it to my email subscribers. So what you want to do, in the left tab here, you can see campaigns, automations, audience, analytics, website, content, and integrations. So under audience, you can add your contacts. So if you already have a list of, for example, 500 email subscribers, you can add them in right here. So click on add your contacts, and then you can choose a way how to do it. So you can import from another service, you can upload a file, or you can copy and paste. So if you previously used a different email marketing service, you can import it from that service. Now if you just want to copy and paste emails, click right here and then click on continue. Then here you can enter their emails, name and address. Then after you're done, click on continue to organize. And then once you're totally done, you can click on exit. So now to send your first email to this audience, what you want to do is close this and then click on campaigns. And here you have all of your current campaigns. So this account is totally new, so I don't have any campaigns. Now here you can see your contacts and how many of your contacts have subscribed. So here you can view the list of your status, so ongoing, draft and completed. So these are your campaigns. Then you can view it by type, so emails, SMS, automations, landing pages, ads, postcards, social posts and surveys. Now here you can create a campaign. You can also do this by clicking right here on create new. So go ahead and click on create a new campaign. So here you can choose a regular email, an automation or a landing page. So we want to create a regular email or a newsletter. So click on design email. Then here there's a few things that you need to do. Who are you sending this email to? So add your recipients. If you already added your audience, you can just select those. So let's import some contacts. So I'll just do my own email as an example. Then you can give your contacts a status. So I'll say that I am subscribed. Then click on continue to tag. And then you can add a tag. So for example, I will do this. It doesn't really matter. Then continue to match. And then finalize the import. Then complete the import. Okay, so now you can return to the campaign creation. So we've added the recipients now. Now you can select who you want to send this email from. So add from. Then enter your name and your email. So I'll do my YouTube channel name and my email address. Then click on save. Now you will need to add a subject. So before opening an email, you can see that subject line. So for example, crazy sale or something like that. So we want to add this subject line right here. Click on add subject. And then here you can see the subject. So here you have a few tips. Try to use no more than 9 words. Try to use no more than 1 emoji. Avoid using more than 60 characters. Avoid using more than 3 punctuation marks. So it needs to be short and snappy and easy to read. So let's create an eye-catching subject line right here. So for example, something like this. It depends on what you do, of course, but just write something that matches with what you do and what the email is about. Then you can enter the preview text. So the preview text appears in the inbox after the subject line. So let's do, for example, this, for example. So then the subject line will be free YouTube training. And then the preview text is, do you want a training worth $500 for free? Then click on save. Now the send time. So for example, you can just keep it on send now, or you can edit it. So you can also schedule a time. So as you can see, to schedule emails, you will need to have an upgraded plan. As I'm using a free plan right now, I will not be able to do this. But if you are using a paid plan, then you can choose a delivery date right here. So I'll keep it to send now. Then click on save. And then the final step is to click on design email right here. And this is the most important part. So I'll show you exactly how you can design a good looking and catchy email. So click design email. Now here you have 122 templates. So you can choose it on your email purpose, industry and plan. And you can also start from scratch. I'll click on email purpose. Now you can announce, educate and inform, invite to events, sell products, sell services, or thank you or welcome. So when someone just signed up to your service, you can do a welcome template. I will do a educate and inform email. So then it will show some templates that match with that. So then right here you can choose what kind of type you want it to be. So for example, gallery, minimal, natural, simple text, or bold. So I'm going to pick bold. So click on apply. Now right here you have a really simple to use drag and drop email builder. So right here you can enter your logo. So to do this, all you need to do is click on it, click on set logo, then search up your logo, and then you can enter your logo right here. So now as you can see, it shows my logo. Now, for example, this says it's time to design your email. So this example, I'm doing a YouTube training that I'm giving away for free. Type something else right here that matches with the message that you want to bring to your customer. So let's say you want to sell a free training or give it away. Click on the text and then write a heading. So for this example, I'll do something like download my training worth $500 plus for free today. Okay, so now once you have added your logo and the first line, you can go ahead and enter a picture right here. So I will do an image. Click on it and then browse images on your device. So here, for example, I'll show some results that I have got. So now you can see download my training worth $500 plus for free today. And then here you have a picture of some results or whatever you want. And then, for example, if you don't like this text right here, you can remove this. Just click on it and then click on delete right here. And then, for example, if you want to do a spacer, add that in right here. Then let's add a paragraph. So let's do a paragraph right here. And then here you can actually write the body of your email. So for example, I will use ChatGPT for this. So write what you want the email to say and ask ChatGPT to create it. Or of course you can create it yourself. Then paste it in your paragraph. And now as you can see, you have it like this. Then you can add a button right here. So for example, I'll do get free training here. Then align it to the middle and then add a link to the training. So I don't have an actual training, so I'll just link it to YouTube, for example. So now when they click here, they will go to the link that you just added. Now you can enter your Facebook link, your Instagram link, and your Twitter link, or add another social link if you would like to. So I'm going to remove this because I don't need this. Then here you have your logo again, but you can also create something else, for example, a video, a survey, or a social, or an app, or whatever you want. Then here you can enter the copyright details. So for this example, I will keep it like this is. Then when you are done with creating your email, you can click on preview right here. So now when someone opens the email on mobile, for example, this is what it will look like. And you can also see how it looks in the inbox and the desktop by clicking on these right here. Then once you're happy with your result, click away from this and then click on save and exit. So now when all of these show a check, you will be done with your entire email campaign. So now you can click on send or you can preview it one more time. You can also send a test email. So for example, send a test email to your own email. So I'll send it to myself. Click on send test. And then you can check it out on your own email, and if you are completely happy with how everything looks, you can click on send. So you're about to send an email to 2 subscribers, then click on send now. So then once you've clicked on send, your email will be sent. And then right here under completed, you can see it. So right here you have your campaign that we just made. So then if you want to see your analytics, click on analytics right here. So here you can see your revenue, the average order revenue, the orders, the order rate, the open rate, the unsubscribe rate, and the recipients and the click rate. So you can see a bunch of stuff right here. And then you can just create a new campaign whenever you want by clicking on all campaigns again and then click on create new. And then you can do this process over again. So regular email, design the email, and then just make sure that all of these steps are done right here. And then the content, you obviously want to customize it and make it a bit different from last time. So that's basically how you can use MailChimp for newsletters. Please let me know in the comments if this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions you can also ask those down in the comments and I will try to respond to all of them. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.